Welcome back to Graceland Estate Enugu. This is a beautiful estate. There is none of its kind right now in Enugu. Graceland Estate is right behind NNPC Depot off Enugu Abakaliki Expressway. This estate is sitting on a 21 hectares land with 500 square meter per plot. This estate is not just a site and service, it is also a fully serviced estate. What that means is that, of course, the perimeter fencing, like you can see, is upcoming. The gatehouse is about to begin. This road, right from the third road right here to round inside the estate, will be tapped from drainage to drainage. And like you can see, the drainage are currently ongoing. Right here in Graceland, there is a school, there is a church, there is a clinic, there is a plaza, a shopping plaza right here. And that is because this is a home city kind of estate. It's a home city estate because we're going to have a bit of a communal living as well as the privacy of a city life. Amazing. Graceland comes with the C of O. The property is properly registered. Even the layout plan is registered, and you don't have any issue about encumbrance or any of those. Now selling for 7 million naira. You need to call us today so that you can book your own slot in Graceland Estate. Whether you are looking for a very affordable C of O estate where you can live, maybe build your house, it's a buy and build, or you are looking for where you can invest and probably sell later, Graceland is for you. Go ahead and call us today so that we can book your own slot before the price increases. Go ahead and call us today. Call the numbers on your screen. You can book a free inspection right here in Graceland. I will see you.